Aspiranet's a vision-driven organization. It's been in existence, it'll be 50 years next year. We're a social service agency and a behavioral health organization that provides services across the state of California in 42 locations. Foster care, adoption, behavioral health, residential programming, family and community services, and also our charter school as well.
Aspiranet's IT leadership works very closely with Bluetree Technology so that we can help them integrate their priorities within their organization. Bluetree, from a virtual CIO perspective, provides Aspiranet with ongoing creation and oversight of a technology roadmap specific to Aspiranet. From a project portfolio perspective, we help Aspiranet integrate what's on that roadmap into their environment over time. TierPoint was above and beyond their competition in the cloud data center procurement. When we would bring the different competitors to the table to have conversations with the customer, we found that only a very few of the sales team and maybe a sales engineer would come to these meetings. TierPoint brought every support leader to the table so that they could talk to the customer and that the customer could ask them very specific questions.
TierPoint provides our data center services and also our help desk services. Having the ability to have emergency response is something that is our highest priority, and no downtime. We just can't have downtime. And so when TierPoint's implementation went without any problems or went so smoothly, I know that they're going to provide us with the technology that we need, and that I also know that they're going to be there if something does come up. If anything, they've enhanced our services. They've provided us with supports for expanding the ways in which our platform has been improved upon, and they've also provided for the IT group, the internal IT group, a sense of assurance.
They were able to provide a disaster recovery solution, which is something Aspiranet did not have in their previous provider. And while Aspiranet's been fortunate to not need a disaster recovery event scenario at this point, TierPoint is ready.
I don't have to worry any longer about the data center being down, or somebody had pulled the plug and didn't put a plug in the right place. They're good technologists. We recognize them as the best MSP that we have right now of all the other services that are provided to us.
Aspiranet has a great IT support group internally. They have both vast experience and deep experience at the same time. Unfortunately, it's a very small team, so they required that their technology service provider be available in providing their support services. TierPoint has really stepped up and has been there on a 24/7 basis. What has really been wonderful about the partnership, this three-pronged partnership between Aspiranet, Bluetree, and TierPoint, is that we've been able to come together as a collective team to make sure all of Aspiranet's technology needs have been met.